Hi, I'm Paul with RockOutfitters.com, here to show you the Yakima BedRock HD low profile heavy duty truck rack. It's comprised of two products. You have the HD bars as well as the BedRock HD towers. The HD bars are a structured aluminum bar with a durable powder coat finish. It's featuring a T-track, which can accommodate T-track compatible accessories, giving you the full length of the bar to attach those accessories, including directly over the tower. Also on the end of the bar you have the metal post that allows for connection of certain accessories, including the Yakima tie downs. This back bar we've left unattached so we can demonstrate the method of attachment. You'll notice on the underside of the bar there are measurements that can help to center the bar, although there are no vehicle-specific measurements that are included for quick adjustment. It's a matter of simply first measuring the distance in between the bed rails and then spacing out your towers, but you can use those measurements to help to center the bars, and that is helpful. So we've already taken the measurement of the distance from bed rail to bed rail, and in this case it's 55 inches. There are some trucks that may vary from front to back, so you need to measure both the front position and the rear position. Also, it's important that you have your bed is an approved truck bed based on Yakima's Fit Guide. So generally this system is designed to fit open bed rails as well as many trucks that have the factory installed utility tracks. So there is an adapter which is used in conjunction with the clamps. So on the underside you have the fastener that is securing the tower to the underside of the bar. To put this tower onto the bar does require first removal of the end cap. A tool is also included to remove the end cap and also to tighten the tower to the bar. There's generous rubber to protect the bed rail as well as give it grip. And so what we can do is first set up this opposite side, and I've inspected the underside to see the best positioning to ensure that there's nothing that would obstruct the positioning, and I determined that's 32 inches. So I'll go ahead and set this side at 32 inches. This design allows you to thread for many different depths of bed rails. I'll bring it down all the way to the bottom. I'm going to be hooking this top portion into the inner edges, and then there's also a diffuser bar. This is designed to diffuse the focus point of pressure of that threaded rod on the underside of the bed. So at this point I'll just begin threading this rod by hand and until it stops against the underside of the bed rail. And then finally I can simply just press down on this lever, and that does the final tightening to give a very secure connection. Then on the opposite side we want to match that distance, the 32 inches. They need to be equal on both sides, and we can just demonstrate that once again. I'll flip open this top portion, get it engaged. I'll put my piece on the underside there and again tighten. It's a similar process for the Utilitracks. There's simply an adapter post that extends this part of the clamp lower, and this presses against the underside of the Utilitrack. Okay, so I have that in place, and then I can go ahead and snap that down. We've got a good, tight, secure fit. Also, the Yakima SKS locks are included. You can just simply insert the key, turn it, and you got yourself a fully secured truck rack to the bed of the vehicle. So this has very high load capacities. It offers 300 pounds of dynamic load capacity, 180 pounds of off-road rated capacity, and 800 pounds of static load capacity. That would be while you're parked. So that makes it very well suited for transporting and and supporting the occupants in a rooftop tent, as well as mounting bicycle carriers to these crossbars, and really a full assortment of different accessories that can help give you more utilization of your truck bed. So those are all the key features of the Yakima BedRock HD. I'm Paul with rackoutfitters.com. Please see the links in the video descriptions for complete details, and thank you for watching.